What up, y'all? It's the Pan-African Hustler here. So today I'm going to show you how I made over $1,600 online selling digital products. Okay, so let's log into my ClickFunnels account. As you can see here, the Pan-African Hustler here made $1,600 starting on the March 16, $629. That's US dollar. On the 17th, $279. On the 18th, and that's today, I made $699. Okay, and that's very proper. I want to show you how I did that. As you can see in the calendar, the light blue right here, that's today. Okay, so let me show you how I did that. Okay, so first and foremost, you want to make sure you have an Instagram account according to whatever you're selling. Okay, like for me, for example, I sell a bunch of digital supplements, so you want to make sure you know what to sell before you sell anything. Okay, so let's go to Clickbank. You're going to go to Clickbank, log in. So I just made a sale. I don't know when that sale came in, but okay, I appreciate it. You're going to go to the affiliate marketplace, and then you come here and hit the search button. Don't enter anything, just hit the search button and click sort according to results by gravity, because gravity is the amount of people selling the products. That's 400 people here. The highlighted part right here, that's 486 people have sold this product successfully, and they've got a commission of $133 selling the Okinawa flat belly. Let's go check out the Okinawa flat belly tonic, because that's going to make us at least $130, and we want that. Okay, it would take you here to the sales page, a few confessions or testimonials: Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Texas. Okay, and then all that kind of stuff, all the jazz. I mean, who wouldn't buy from this website, right? So yeah, so if you wanna promote it, you click promote, you enter your nickname, you generate the hop link, and this is the link that the customer will click for them to buy your product. So you're gonna copy it, right? Then you're gonna go to bit.ly.com, and then you're gonna create. Paste. Yep, and you want to copy the link, right? And you must have an Instagram page. Okay, you must create an Instagram page according to what you're selling. Like, you cannot be a rapper and try to sell a weight loss supplement. Like, it doesn't make sense. If you're a rapper, you gotta be selling music. All right, if you're a digital marketer, you gotta be selling digital products like software. As me, I label myself a hustler, because that's what I am. So the Pan-African Hustler here will provide you with some opportunities to earn over $10,000 per month. And it's proof, as I've showed you here. In 3 days, I've made over $1,600. Okay, so the Pan-African Hustler can try to show you how to do that if you click the website. But this website is going to be removed, because I'm trying to show you how to create a business. Okay, so you're going to come here, you're going to remove this website and paste our bit.ly link that we copied from here, and we're going to submit. Okay, once you submit, you're going to come here to your profile, and voila, there it is. See, Okinawa flat belly. So after that, you want to look for a bunch of influencers, okay, like famous people on Instagram with lots and lots of followers, right? So I'm gonna click right here. Let me think of somebody. Who's famous? Okay, I can think of somebody. I know this guy personally. Okay, so this guy has about 18,000 followers, right? And let's see his engagement. His engagement is pretty good, as you can see. 1,000 comments, right? Well, not always, but it's okay. But if that's not good enough, you can always find somebody else. Okay, for example, I could think of somebody. Black Hustlers Club or Black Success Club, one of the two. All right, you can see they got 158k followers, and okay, engagement is good but not great, because if you want to make the money, you want to go for somebody, right, who's got great engagement. For example, you can go to Kylie Jenner. Kylie Jenner has 221 million followers, okay, and her engagement is awesome. 21,000 comments, 5 million likes. You know, like, this is great engagement. I don't think you can DM a celebrity. Yeah, just send her a message and tell her that you like to promote your product. This account is probably not run by her. It's probably one of her admin staff. So you're gonna talk to them. You're gonna send them a message saying, hey, I like to promote my product. Is it okay if I can put it up on your post for at least 24 hours with a link? And yeah, see what happens. And if not, you can always keep searching. There's a lot of Instagram influencers out there. Okay, so don't give up. Make sure you're in it for the long term. This is not a get rich scheme or anything. This is hard work. This is a business. You have to remember that, okay? Alright, so it's been your boy, the Pan African Hustler here. Take care.